Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming another basically get ready with me plus my outfit. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I did already start on my brows, so I'm just going to be doing a regular basic everyday look. I've already done this look on my YouTube, so I'm not really gonna go in too much details. Y'all, my hair looks so crisp. Like my sideburn got like this crusty glue on it, but don't worry y'all, I'm gonna fix all that for y'all and show y'all how to basically refix yourself and get you together. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just going in with my what is the name of this, Black Radiance contour palette, and I always use that lighter shade to go on my lids. I don't know why, but it just gives me like a real soft, crispy, clean, chill look. So I'm going ahead and doing that right now, and that's the shadow that I'm using. And I'm also going ahead with my eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing like a smaller wing. I'm not going to be doing a big crazy wing. Like, this is considered my smaller wing. Like, I'm not going in with my big Nikki wings today. Like, I'm not really in the mood for that. So the glue that I'm using is going to be it's going to be the glue that you get your CVS. So in the meantime, while that glue is drying on my lashes, I'm just going to go ahead and put some highlight in my face. And I'm just going in lightly. I like to do my brow bone, my brows, boned, whatever it's called. So now I'm just applying my lashes. Like I said, I'm using CVS glue, and it's not like hair glue. It actually takes a lot longer to dry. Like, as of right now, it's still wet. As you can see, the lash kept falling off, and then it messed up my eyeliner, but I'm gonna go back in and just like scratch it off when it does fully dry. So once my lashes are on, I'm going in with my fresh glow water. Y'all, this is a really good spray. Like, I love it so much. I picked this up at Sephora, so make sure you guys check it out. And I'm not going in with my foundation, and I'm just using my Born This Way foundation. I'm not sure the name of it, but it is like a golden color. When I get home, I'm gonna like update the description box with all my products that I use. So I'm just going in with a little brush, and I'm basically putting that all around my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush. Now I'm just going to be going in with my foundation brush, and I'm just blending in that foundation, tapping it around everywhere. I'm being really careful without getting it on my lace and stuff, because once you do get it on the lace, it kind of looks funny. So I am going to be going lightly around my baby hairs and around the lace, just to avoid it from like messing up the hair itself. And now I'm just taking my I don't even remember the name of this, because I don't even use this no more, but for some reason I wanted to use it. So this is the LA Girl concealer, and I'm wearing it in the color Cool Tan. So I'm just going down the bridge of my nose. I like to do under my eyes and my chin. And with my damp beauty blender, I'm just going ahead and blending that out. I don't know why, but you guys really request these makeup tutorials, and I don't really like how my makeup tutorials come out. I really don't feel like they're perfect, so I think I need to practice doing them more and to get them basically better, because I be getting out of the camera, I be moving out, I be out of focus. Like, I'm like working on it, because I want to provide more content to my channel other than hair tutorials. So give me a break, y'all, because I'm trying, but I see that y'all like it, so I'm trying to, you know, step out my comfort zone. So I'm going in and I'm just putting a little bit more and blending that out, and then I'm blending around my chin and the underneath my eyes and getting that blended. And then I like to go in with my foundation brush again and use that leftover product and just slim down my nose, and I do like to blend out around the concealered areas. And now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite powder ever. Like, I've tried a lot of powders, but this by far is one of my favorites. And I'm just going down everywhere that I basically highlighted with my concealer. And now I'm going ahead and I'm just setting my foundation with the Bare Minerals powder, and I'm using the color 27. Now I'm going to be taking my Black Radiance contour palette, and I like to use that lighter shade first and basically go around my highlight, and then as you guys can see, the contour is going to start getting darker because then I just go in and I start using that darker brown shade. So I like doing it that way because it kind of gives me a more soft ombre contour. It's not just jumping into dark, it's kind of like going from light to medium to dark. And then I like to go around my chin, kind of slim up this face a little bit. And now I'm going ahead and dusting off that powder. Sometimes I really do sometimes I'll blend in the powder so well that I actually forget to dust off. And with that same foundation powder that I used, I'm going in and slimming up my nose a little bit. I don't go crazy on my nose contour. I feel like it ends up making me look like a guy, so I really do try to keep it light. So then I'm going in with some blush, and I am using my Juvia's Place Face Palette blush. And I'm just going in with a light purpley color on my forehead and on my cheeks. And that's basically it. I'm going now with some more highlight, and I'm doing the bridge of my nose, the tip, and also I like to do my upper eyebrows. Now I'm setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus, and I just wanted to go ahead and go back in with, look how I ruined my face with my mole. I'm going back in with my blush, and I'm just basically giving it a little bit more color, and I'm going in with my contour to darken it up because I did feel like my face didn't have enough color to it. Now I'm going ahead and fixing my hair. I'm going in with my Nairobi mousse, and I'm just going ahead and doing my edges over a bit. And I'm just doing this because my edges are already there, so I just need a little something to get it fully back. Now I'm gonna start my lips. I am using the MAC Snob lip gloss. I'm gonna be just putting some coats of that, and then I'm gonna be going in with my eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, and I'm gonna be using that chocolate brown color to line my lips. For some reason, I just love how this lines my lips. I love how eyeshadow lines my lips versus lip liner. Lip liner tends to give it a different color other than brown. That's how I personally feel. And then if you use an eyebrow pencil, it just becomes too dark. So I just love using my eyeshadow. It just gives me that look. So I'm not a fan of lipstick or anything like that. I just really like light pinks and mauve pinks. That's usually how I like my lips to look, just like a nice brown and pink ombre look. So this is how they look. This is my go-to lip, to be honest. Everybody always asks for my lip combo. It's the same thing. I either use Buxom Dolly lip gloss, or I use Snob by MAC. Those are my just two go-tos.
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the little quick 1, 2. Hello?
Where do you think we're going?
I'm coming out. I just wanted to film a quick video. I'm sorry. I'm coming out right now. I told you that. Alright, y'all. So my nails are gang signs. This is what I mean when I say my nails are throwing up gang signs. If I put them down, I'm repping something. That's why I be I'm throwing up gang signs right now. Anyways, though, I'm about to wet my hair real quick, and I'm gonna put on my outfit. I'm gonna come back so you guys can see the whole look. Alright, y'all, so I did go ahead and wet my hair out some, and this is how it kind of looks now. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my wrapping mousse. It doesn't really do a difference to my hair because it's just wrapping mousse. It's not hair curling mousse, but I'm just kind of combing out the curls with my hands. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a little tuck behind the ear thing over here and just make sure that my curls on this side are not chappy or dry or buzz looking. Like, I like my curls to be popping. Look at that. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. This is what I got on. I'm just gonna be pairing it with I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Let me get the shoes. Where are the shoes at? Oh, damn. Alright, so I have this little Fashion Nova outfit with this Chanel bag. It's just a plain black Chanel bag. And as for the shoes, I'm just gonna be slipping on these Dolce & Gabbana slip-ons. I've had these shoes for like so long, and actually
It's the mousse that's stuck in my hair right now.
I got them like so dirty. I recently, like a couple maybe minutes ago, I had to like gotta stomp my feet in them. A couple minutes ago I had to like hand wash them and get them to look better. So they're just these pink, black and white Dolce's with the Chanel-y. And yeah, how I look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I seen how you guys really fucked with the last one. Hold on, let me. Yeah, I seen how you guys really liked the last one, so I made another one for y'all. So be sure to follow me, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah!